Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. So I was about to sit down and start doing my, you know, daily prayers and Bible scriptures and doing all that good stuff. When I came across something on Pinterest and I just had to like take a minute and show you guys real quick. Let me see if I can show. Oops, let me see. Can you see? Probably not. Hold on a second. Why? Okay. Um, it's too bright. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Oh, okay, let me do this. If you don't have a pair of these tweezers, you need a pair. They have like a magnet on the tip of them. But, oh, they're stuck together. I did this. I found this last night and I kind of went crazy making a bunch of them. Now let's see if I can get one for you here. Look at this tiny little thing. Oh my goodness, why can't I get it focused? It's not focusing. It's too bright, but oh man, it's so cute. There we go. Look at that. It's the tiniest little paper clip I've ever seen in my entire life. And I made a bunch of them because it was super cute. So I'm gonna show you how I made them. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm using two tweezers. Like I said, if you don't have a pair of these tweezers when you're doing miniatures, you need to get a pair. I have some linked in my Amazon storefront. You can get them from anywhere though, but these I like because it has like a magnet, like I said, on the end. For these don't. These regular ones don't, but these little angled ones do. But anyway, so this is wire from Wired Ribbon. I don't really use wired ribbon very often, but when I do, I take the wire out. So I have a lot of this, but this is easily, it's pliable, it's thin enough, it's small enough. So what you do is you take the tip, use your pliers, you don't need these, fold it over the edge there. I'm trying to see, make sure you can see. So you fold it over the edge, right? So you have that little hook, and then you go up a little bit, and you're just going to keep doing that until you get the shape of the paper clip. So now you have those two. You're going to do one more. You're going to grab it like right above this little angle. You're going to bend it again. Oops. Grab it like that. You're going to bend it again. Can you see me? There you go. You can make them as big as you want, as small as you want. Oh my God, this is so cute. Make sure you hold the actual paper clip. And then, and then just, really? Come on. Why are my scissors not? There we go. And then you have yourself the cutest. And you can adjust it and kind of fix it up a little bit however you want. But look at that, you've got a tiny little paper clip. So these are gonna look cute with my little stationery set. So I need to find a smaller cup holder, but right now this is everything I have. So I made a bunch of pencils and color pencils. This cup holder is just way too big, or this pencil holder is a little bit too big, but it's fine for right now. Then I made my little tape dispenser. I have a video about that. I have a video about all this. This is just a book that I got from Amazon. Then I made a little, clipboard with some paper. And yeah, like I said, I made my little pencils. And I'm actually going to use this is packaging from something. I'm just going to cut that out, and then it'll be a little paper clip holder. Oh my God, that is so cute. I'm gonna make more. I love them. I might paint these and make some color ones too. Not sure yet, but how stinking cute is that? So just wanted to show you that real quick. This wasn't the video I had planned. I'm sure I'm gonna finish my other video for you guys later today, but definitely make yourself some little bitty paper clips. Again, this is not an original idea. I saw it like on Pinterest or something like that, but super cute and just wanted to show you. So that's it for today, guys, or that's it for right now. See you guys later. Be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.